Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Welcome back to my talk show. Following yesterday's sharing with you, today again, I would like to study together with you on Elliot Wave theory. Okay, so let's move on to a PowerPoint. Yesterday, we just studied the basic approach to Elliot Wave theory, logically established by Fibonacci sequence and Dow theory, okay? And then we studied together this typical, Elliot Wave patterns consist of the 5 uptrend waves and then 3 downtrend waves. 5, okay, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. And after we reach to the peak of the specific market, usually market will do the adjustment. This is called correction waves, A wave and B wave and C wave. And this is one of the cycle, typical cycle during the uptrend market, okay? So we consider the wave 5, the peak is a turning point to make the market to the downtrend. But anyway, there are many definitions how to observe this Elliot wave. So today we will study 3 very important definitions, okay? By the way, we studied this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Welcome, reach to the peak, and then the market will start to change the trend, downtrend, which is consists of the A wave, B wave, C wave, right? And also, we studied, I would like to repeat again, even wave during the period of the wave 1 to wave 2, this one small cycle can be divided into again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because you see, when you watch the chart, during the period of the wave 1, 2, this is not a straight line like this, go up and down. There are many zigzag, so many candles, right? So this can be also divided into wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and then ABC, something like this. On the correction waves as well, we have this kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we analyze the chart more in detailedly. Okay, so this is reviewed for the yesterday's sharing. So today I would like to discuss with you 3 definitions of Elliot wave. In order to observe the Elliot wave from your chart, any types of time frame chart, you see, you can apply this definition. I said, second wave does not exceed the starting point of the first wave. Okay, I should show you. This is the first wave, right? Second wave. But if the second wave exceed the starting point, this is the starting point. Wave 1 started this level, okay? But unfortunately, this downtrend, the candle, break this starting level up to here. This is not called correct Elliot wave. So this is one of the definition. So don't misunderstand, okay? Oh, this is an Elliot wave, okay? First line, second line, third line. But if the second line exceed the starting point of the first wave, it will not be called Elliot wave patterns. So don't misunderstand, okay? And number 3 definitions of the Elliot wave. Number 2, fourth wave does not exceed the last point of the first wave. Okay, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave. Okay, so this fourth wave will not exceed the second level. starting point. This is also not called the Elliot wave patterns. So if you see like this kind of dip, change your mind. This is not the Elliot wave. So don't apply Elliot wave theory to the moment chart movement. Okay. So number three definitions of the Elliot wave. Number 3. Okay. Third wave will not be the shortest. Okay. First wave, second wave, third wave. Usually, according to the theory of the Elliot wave, third wave is very long. In other words, you have many chances to realize your profit. But according to this small diagram, the third wave is short, right? Very short. First wave is long, second wave is short, and then third wave is also short, and the fourth wave and fifth wave. So, but this is not called as the patterns of the Elliot wave. So these 3 definitions you have to memorize, okay? First of all, second wave here does not exceed the starting point of the first wave. So this is the starting point, right? You understand, right? Okay. And number 2 definition, third wave will not be the shortest. Okay. First wave, second wave, third wave. But the third wave is very short, like second wave and fourth wave. So this is also not called as typical patterns of the Elliot wave. Okay. So we study the 3 definitions. I want you to memorize these 3 patterns, and then once you see either one of those patterns, you can judge whether this is typical patterns of the Elliot wave or not. Okay, let's move on to page 8. As I mentioned to you, Elliot wave consists of the 5 waves and then 3 ABC waves, right? But even though those 5 waves, we can treat this as a fast wave, as you can see here, okay? And then even though we have 3 ABC lines, okay, we can treat this as a second wave. So you can switch your time frame according to your strategies. So depending on your strategies, you can apply a lot of time scales, multi-time scale. I can say this is a multi-time frame charting analyst, okay? Actually, look at this page 9. Okay, this is a different scale of the Elliot wave. We call it the different scale of the Elliot wave. Green line, first wave, second wave, okay? Third wave is very long, right? Right? Fourth wave and fifth wave reach to the peak, and then price will coming down as the correction wave, okay? Something like this. But if you look at this red line, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, and ABC, and then started again, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave, okay? So, according to this diagram showing, green one is a typical Elliot wave, but if we analyze more carefully and in detailedly, even this one cycle, up to here, 5, there are 2 cycles of the patterns. So you can utilize this kind of concept as well. Be careful, okay? Elliot wave can be changed according to the time frame you studied, right? And also you studied sometimes Elliot wave, it seems to be Elliot wave, but sometimes they will cheat you, okay? So don't get be cheated from the Elliot wave. If you find out, if you memorize the definition, those 3 definitions, you can easily judge whether this is the real patterns of the Elliot wave or not, okay? And then this page 9 show, as I mentioned to you, green line and the red line is different because of the how to apply the Elliot wave to this the chart. Depending on the application, you can find out this is only this is the typical Elliot wave patterns. But if you analyze, this can be analyzed more short wave, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So there are 2 cycles in here, okay? And then I have to mention Fibonacci sequence. Maybe you are not familiar with Fibonacci, but maybe next year I would like to show you and give you some ideas about the Fibonacci, but today I just briefly mentioned that these Elliot wave, particularly first, second, third, fourth, 5, 1, 2, 5, and then another 3, totally 8 waves are based on the Fibonacci, how to say, treatment. I said the total of 34 waves consists of an upward 21 wave and downward 13 waves, which is also Fibonacci sequence. So this Elliot wave is very closely to the Fibonacci's sequence concept. If I explain another time, you will know very clearly, okay? But I cannot explain why Fibonacci is so useful. There is no logical explanation. This is a super, how to say, natural phenomenon, okay? But I cannot explain why this Fibonacci sometimes apply to our industry, particularly for the chart reading. In the future, in the further subdivision, the total of 144 waves consists of upward 89 wave and downward 55 waves. So according to this definition, we can easily judge Elliot wave can be applied to the uptrend, and then you can get a very good signal from this Elliot wave together with the Fibonacci sequence concept, okay? And moreover, if I go back to the first page, this Elliot waves theory is also relating to the Tao theory, okay? So Tao theory, sometimes I utilize this Tao theory into my analysis. So next year, I would like you to study Tao theory, okay? Maybe tomorrow, I would like to give you some ideas on Fibonacci. And then next year, I would like to explain about the Tao theory. Anyway, during this Christmas holidays and then the New Year holidays, market become very quiet. So you may have a lot of time to study some basic things. Shall we study basic things together? Okay, and then welcome the new year. I think next year market situation become again very hectic. Okay, this year overall US dollar was very strong because of the interest rate hike by the FRB, but nowadays many people start to talk about the dovish idea on the US interest rate. Maybe they will cut down the interest rate from May, but as far as my observation watching the Fed Watch, maybe the timing of the interest rate cut will be a little bit faster, earlier, maybe March, April, FRB might consider to cut the interest rate. So this coming Friday's non-farm figure is very, very important for you to consider dollar yen. It means if the dollar go up or down, this impact will give to the very big impact to the gold trading, right? So be careful this Friday, and even tonight we have to be very careful. anyway, market volume and the liquidity becoming shrinking. So once we call it the hungry wolf, okay? Maybe I will explain about the hungry wolf next time. If the hungry wolf wants to get back the loss to become a profit, you see, they would like to place even small order because of the small liquidity and the volume, market will be reacted very drastically. So be careful, okay? And after 15th of this month, December, a lot of bank dealers, hedge fund managers, and the sophisticated traders, they will take a holidays, okay? They will settle the position, or they will cross the position, means hedge the position, okay? So no matter how the price movement up or down, the equity is the same, right? And then welcome the new year. But anyway, after 15th, be careful, okay? And also, I would like to report to you from next year, February, I will teach this kind of technical analysis and the fundamental analysis to the master degree student of the National University of Management, well, from next semester. So if you have children who are going to National University of Management, ask them to join to my class as well, okay? Anyway, I'm very happy to share a lot of information, not only technical, but also fundamental, and sometimes I would like to share the data which was or will be announced by the Japanese government or US government or EU the government, okay? Thank you very much for your watching and have a nice weekend. Thank you.